apart from the impending, and I guess to some extent expected increase in the price of gas, the other thing that our constituents will ask us about is the reliability of the supply. Now that you see our major supplier, our single source supplier, is being closed down, what happens to the supply? As gas station operators, our concern is the cost of gas as delivered to us, the ability for us to be able the margin that we would be able to make on it, and also of great consequence right now is the reliability and consistency of supply. And to me, and I believe to us, that is what the major issue is going to be. What type of supply are we going to get? Are we going to get it on a consistent basis? If there are expected stockouts, is there enough storage to maintain us over periods of time? Because if we do have to import it, what happens if a hurricane passes by and stops shipments coming in? These are the things that, as an association and in the interest of the public, we are very interested about the supply chain.
You asked
Going to the cost of the supply chain.
okay. You asked what it is we would like to see happen. The next step in the rollout is can the petroleum dealers, since the product is being shipped to Petrotrin, and they are the ones that have the terminal and the bunkers, can the petroleum dealers, in an effort to mitigate the cost of fuel, go to Petrotrin directly and buy fuel? Will that be a cost-saving factor on the population? Can we engage the ministry in this? But how do we get to the ministry when they do not interact with us? So that these suggestions to mitigate the cost of fuel to the people and to the population, this is one of the contributions that the petroleum dealers would really like to explore. Isn't that right?